So I'm gonna add one. So here it after is outline. So now I'm going to cut it. Look how good it is after it's cut. So now I'm going to cut the circle. You need to fold it like that and then fold it again like that. Then you need to cut the circle. See how good it is after I got the circles? Oh, it's funny. So I already cut my glasses shape. I am going to decorate bunny glasses. For the bunny glasses, first I have to put these ears. And first I even have to cut this. Now let me cut it. So now I'm going to roll with the help of a stick. I am putting glue. So see how long? Wow, it's longer than my glasses. So I need to cut in the middle. I'm done. Now I'm going to stick my ears onto my glasses. So I cut in the middle, then I creased it a little bit so they could fit in my ears, like this. Now I'm going to glue. I am done sticking. Now I am going to decorate with these stars. I am done. Look how beautiful mine is. Now I already did these. Now I'm going to glue them on. We stuck handles and I am done with the decorations too. Look how ours are. I also stuck the handles and I don't need decorations because I have all the sparkles.